Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga Mother channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you the basic Amharic greeting conversations and the most common Amharic words. So don't forget, subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thanks for that. So let's start. So the basic Amharic greeting conversations. So if you want to say have a good night in Amharic, you can say Dana Adar for a boy and Dana Adari for a girl. So the response for them is Amen Dana Adar or Dana Adari. So Dana Adaru. For a group of people, you can say Dana Adaru. And the response for them is Amen Dana Yidaru or Dana Adaru. So for elders, you can say Dana Yidaru. Dana Yidaru. So the response from them is Amen Dana Yidaru. So may God give you health. If you want to say may God give you health, you can say in Amharic Tena Yistil. Tena Yistil. So the response for them is Abro Yistil. Abro Yistil. So how are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? So you can say in Amharic, you can say Dana ne for a boy or for a man. And the response for him is Dana neng antes እንዴት ነህ? ደህና ነኝ አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? For a girl ደህና ነሽ? For a girl ደህና ነሽ? How are you doing? If you want to say how are you doing in Amharic, you can say ደህና ነሽ? For a girl ደህና ነሽ? For a girl, you can say ደህና ነሽ? Son, the response for her ደህና ነኝ አንቺስ እንዴት ነሽ? Or አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? ደህና ነኝ አንቺስ or አንተስ እንዴት ነህ? How is work? How is work? ስራ እንዴት ነው? In Amharic, you can say ስራ እንዴት ነው? If you want to say how is work in Amharic, you can say ስራ እንዴት ነው? ስራ እንዴት ነው? So the response for him or for she ስራ ጥሩ ነው. ስራ ጥሩ ነው. So the response is ስራ ጥሩ ነው. So how is life treating you? How is life treating you? If you want to say how is life treating you in Amharic, ኑሮ እንዴት ይዞሃል? ኑሮ እንዴት ይዞሃል? ወይም ኑሮ እንዴት ይዞሻል? You can say ኑሮ እንዴት ይዞሃል for a boy and ኑሮ እንዴት ይዞሻል for a girl. So as a general, the response for them is ደህና ነው ይመስገን. ደህና ነው ይመስገን. Okay, goodbye. Okay, goodbye. If you want to say okay, goodbye in Amharic, እሺ ደህና ሁን በሌላ ቀን እንገናኛለን. እሺ ደህና ሁን በሌላ ቀን እንገናኛለን. እሺ ደህና ሁን በሌላ ቀን እንገናኛለን. So the response from them is እሺ ቻው. እሺ ቻው. How are you? How are you? If you want to say in Amharic, how are you? You can say እንዴት ነህ for a boy and እንዴት ነሽ for a girl. እንዴት ነህ for a boy and እንዴት ነሽ for a girl. So the response for them is ደህና ነኝ. ደህና ነኝ. So what is your name? What's your name? So if you want to ask a name, so you can say in Amharic ስምህ ማን ነው? ስምህ ማን ነው? So the response for them is ስሜ እንትና እንትና ነው. ስሜ example, if you want to ask ስምህ ማን ነው? So Abel response like ስሜ አቤል ነው. ስሜ አቤል ነው. So this is the conversation. The most time Ethiopians uses this conversation like this, and the most common Amharic words are you can practice these words or these phrasal words if you want, like thank you in Amharic አመሰግናለሁ. Thank you አመሰግናለሁ. Sorry ይቅርታ in Amharic. Sorry, the meaning of sorry in Amharic is ይቅርታ ይቅርታ. Okay. እሺ in Amharic እሺ እሺ. No እምቢ in Amharic it is no. The no translation of no in Amharic is እምቢ. And please እባክህ or እባክሽ for a boy እባክህ, for a girl እባክሽ. Yes አዎ. Yes. So the translation of yes is in Amharic it is አዎ አዎ. So no problem, ችግር የለውም. ችግር የለውም. So no problem, for no problem, the meaning of or the translation in Amharic is ችግር የለውም. ችግር የለውም. So WhatsApp, ታዲያስ, WhatsApp, ታዲያስ. In Amharic, the translation of WhatsApp is ታዲያስ. So for today's it's enough. So thanks for watching my videos. I will upload more videos in future that is important for you. So have a good day and bye.